How to speak in past actions. Past actions. How to use the past tense. Now I am going to explain the future tense actions. In a conversations, we use many more tenses. Just we speak about future. Very next, we speak about the past, present, slide. We oscillate and move whatever the conversation requires. So on that way, the tense is very most important in our conversation. Tense means it is nothing but time. Now I am going to explain about future tense. In future tense also, there are no changing subjects, objects. The changing is only the verb, action words. The only changing in the action words. Thus remember how to change in the action words. I am going to explain. Listen carefully. Well observation. The positive or negative sentences. Subjects as well as I will. As we said in present tense and past tense, I will use the initiate. They don't change. In the world, those are the all people connect to those subjects. I will use the initiate. 7 subjects. And interrogative, do. Here in the future tense, we use asking questions. Will or shall? Will you? Will you? Will you plus V1? Will you watch movie tomorrow? Yes, I will watch movie tomorrow. Otherwise, no, I don't. I won't watch movie tomorrow. Will you? Here, if anybody asks, will you? Immediately, yes. If the answer is yes, if I will, stop or else I will plus V1 use. I will plus V1. Will you go to temple tomorrow? Yes, I will go to temple tomorrow. Will you eat biryani tomorrow? Yes, I will eat biryani tomorrow. Otherwise, will you go to temple tomorrow? Or will you go to market tomorrow? The negative sentence, if you want to say, no, I won't go to market tomorrow. No, I won't. W-O-N-T, won't plus V1. I won't. Won't means will not. Won't. It is will not. Will not. We write here won't. Will not. It's will not. Remember. Here, I will use the initiate for all these subjects. For all these subjects, to speak in positive sentences, we use will plus V1. Will plus V1. Speaking for positive sentences. I will buy a car. They will play cricket next week. She will eat bananas at evening. It will run fast tomorrow. Slide. In negative, won't. I won't go to temple tomorrow. They won't buy bangles. She won't buy onions, or we won't buy books. It's a negative. Won't. For all these subjects we use for positive will plus V1. V1 means V1 what? Did you get clarity? V1 it's action word. Whatever the action, substitute in that. Negative won't, W-O-N-T, won't plus V1. Won't. Will you come tomorrow? School? Yes, I will come tomorrow to school. No, I won't come. Will you go to Tirupati next month? Yes, I will go to Tirupati next month. Otherwise, no, I won't go to Tirupati next month. Haven't you? So, use like this. Of course, the subject is he or she also. Will he buy books? Will he plus V1? Yes, he will plus V1. Otherwise, no, he won't. Won't means will not. Won't plus V1. Or will she plus V1? Will she sing a song? Yes. If yes, she will. She will what? She will sing a song. She will plus V1. No. She won't. She won't sing a song. Like. Next, very next. Before will you plus V1, we add what or where, when, why, how, double questions. Is it very easy or difficult for you? This is the 4th class or 3rd class. We have finished 2 classes. So, what do you observe from these classes? Will you plus V1? What will you? What will you plus V1? What will you eat? What will you drink? What will you play? What will you drive? What will you do? Like where? Same. Where will they? Where will they play? Where will they play? Where will they go? Where will they buy? Where will they? Where will they? And when will we watch movie? When will we watch movie? That's also. When will we? When will they? When will you? When will he? Why will? Why will you? Plus V1. Why will you buy books? Why will you sell your car? It's like, why will you? These are all in future action we use. Future actions. Okay. The same as use what? Change the subject. What will he? What will he plus V1? Where will she plus V1? How will she plus V1? How will she come? Slide. These are the asking questions and responding answers. Asking questions, responding answers. You must improve your speaking, and you must start your speaking first asking questions. How to ask, then how to respond the answers. Practice will always, don't stop your practice. Practice. In your brain, you said your guru, your friends, and your director, your leader. You speak with yourself sometimes. Ask questions to you. You are the respondent. Actually, where will I go? I go to movie. Where will you go? Where will they spend time? Where will they go? They go to park. Or will she come tomorrow? No, she won't come tomorrow. Will he go to school by next week? Yes, he will go to school by next week. Will your father buy toys for you? No. My father won't buy toys for me. My father buy a laptop for me. My father will buy a laptop, or my father will buy a mobile because of online classes. Nowadays online classes are moving. To watch online classes, my father will buy me a mobile, or my father will buy a laptop. So like that your conversation moving. From this table, the conversation one, will your father buy books? Buy books? Will your father buy books? Yes. My father will buy books. Will buy books. This question has two answers, positive or negative. Otherwise, say like this also, no. My father won't buy books. Conversation ends. Next, second conversation. Will he go to temple tomorrow? Will he go to temple tomorrow? Will he go to temple tomorrow? This is the question. Yes, he will go to temple tomorrow. Write some more conversations. Or else, where will she go? Third one, where will she go? Where will she go? She will go to market. She will go to market. She will go to market. That's it. And again, someone. What will he sing? What will buy a car. He will buy a car, or he will buy vegetables or any other. So like, write more than 100 conversations on your paper. Then speak all those. Use conversations. Already we finished simple present tense, past tense, future tense. Tomorrow I am going to explain from these three tenses, mixing conversations will move. Get practice well. Have a nice time. Go ahead.